Batang 80s or batang 90s ka ba? Well, I suppose familiar nimo ang game nga Patintero. Kabalo ka modula ni? Well, since layo pa, more nami sa island guys, layo man kayang tubig. Pagabot na mo, hunas. So, layo jud kayo, nilakaw pa min, taga-tuhod na gyapon, kay hunas kaayo sa Marabilia Beach Resort sa Tabuelan, Cebu. And then, very nice, white sand and something. So, we decided to instead play some games. And I introduced to some of my nephews and nieces ang game nga Patintero. Well, sad to say, they don't know, they don't have any clue kung sa ang game nga Patintero. But anyway, to make it short, we explained. Then, we put markings on the sand. And perting lingawa guys, bahalag init kayang panahon. No, this was about 9 to 11, I guess. 9 to 10, somehow. Grabe kalingaw. And after this, okay, very proud to say, we won. I think we had 7 homes versus 6 homes sa among kalaban. Perting lingawa. And after that, kuan pagid mi. Unsa to ilang term oy kanang PSPS. Kana nasad sa mga bata na pud karon kanang mga generations guys. Guys kanang mga PSPS something. Still about dagan-dagan. And then nagkuan sad mi atong unsa to ilang term ato kanang pinang hutdanay guys. Like ako ang hago, then if ever madakpan ti ka, kita nang duha ang hago until mahurot ang mga players. And the first one nga na dakpan, siya na po ang next hago after madakpan tanan. So it was like that. And it was really hot. Oh, awa guys, clear kayong sky. Yeah, very nice ambience. Blue sky and nindot ang panahon. Nindot good kay i-play guys. So I reminisce my childhood days. Nga kanang magdula mi sa dryer or sa semento dito dapit sa mua. After class or on weekends, as in pirte ka bibo. Even at night, wala pa man to'y kurente when we were younger sa among place. Wala pa naabot ang kurente. So malipay mi kung hayag ang bulan. Magpatintero mi, magbuwan-buwan and all, syatong kung hapon or daytime. Really fun. So I miss those days, and with this activity, murag nindot kaya akong paminaw na nabalik sa akong hunahuna, sa akong panumduman ang maanindot nga kagahapon. Wow. So it was really nice introducing some traditional game to the young generation, you know, sa mga 2000 kids, mga 2010s somehow, nga mga kids. Well, nalingaw sad sila. Lingaw, as in lingaw gid kay mi guys. Pero perting ka po, imagine akong mga kauban guys. Awa. Ako'y pinakamanghod. And if you compare energies and everything, murag layo na gud kita guys. So that is why sakit kay akong mga paa sakit kayo. Kay labi na tong among game nga kanang katong hotdanay ba? I don't know what's the term lang. Katong hotdanay nga kuan. So ina kag ako'y katong nahago after namin kanang humbyang manata to. Ako gyud iyang una nga kanang dakpon daw. Kay para in human og dakop sa tanan, ako na dayon ang hago. Di daw ko nila pabalson. Can you imagine that? Na sila mga plot nga kanang not good. Haguon jud ko nila una. Pero din ako kapuya sa gilaka ko. But anyway, I was a runner when I was in university and in high school. So I proved it na I could still run even if dako nagtag-edad, and nidako na si sa gita physically. Pero sad to say guys, wala kapas. Kay medyo uptick pa sa tagamay. Well, kusog sa as in kusog sa gid kumudagan pura buya guys. And not to brag, champion me sa education department during intramurals during our university days. So I was one of the runners there sa among department. As in perting lingawa gid guys. Ang mga bata lingaw sad kayo. Yeah, ang mga dagko, mga kuan dito rin sa Snaplin nagpasilong guys kay madaot ilang glota kami giver. Kay ingon pa sila, the more tan you go, the more you show to the world nga you've been to beaches. And yeah, in Western world ilaha gani magpatan sila kay because when they go back to their country, people would say, oh, they're so rich kaya nakatan sila, it means they've been to beaches. And you know, sa Western world not so much nga nindot kayo lang beaches mo gits like Asia or Hawaii or somewhere mo travel sila, meaning you travel, meaning nakagasto ka dahil kwarta. But anyway, to make it short, lingaw kay Mr. Dan sobra. And yeah, that was a very unforgettable experience, and because of that, so tired today guys, back to work. And yeah, I think I gotta go to a massage shop later. Kaya murag kanang nabito ko yung mga joints and mga something diri kanang bitaw mga kanang nag-connect sa imong body og ang kanang og imong mga legs kada nga part ba sakit kayo. I mean na ay murag medyo sakit something kay kanang dagan kag maayo, makosog kag maayo, and then carrying your heavy weight biya, di ba? Akong tuhod, akong ankle, grabe akong ankle, medyo nanakit gahapon, pero karon okay naman. Kay kanang murag kanang makosog jud kag dagan ba nya, nag-carry biya ka sa imong weight, pila in taon imong weight niya, dagan kag maayo, heavy buyag. Yeah, so if you have some time, you can introduce some traditional game. And the kids yesterday, they were already thinking about playing online game, mobile game, ML or something. So they were already discussing. But I told them, we came here to the beach to enjoy nature and something. Please refrain from playing online games, mobile games. Enjoy na to. Kay, kung mag-online naman ka, niadto kag beach, mag-online game naman ka, ano niadto pa mga beach? Nagpuyo na nung ka, kay moram lang na mong ganahan, mag-online naman ka. Diba? Seize the day. Enjoy every moment. Kung naka sa beach, mag-beach. I-enjoy ang beach. Enjoy ang moment nga naka. We don't go there every day. Not even every month. Kunya, ato nimo magsigira kag kanang ML nga you do it every day. Diba? So at least kanang you free yourself from gadgets ba. Well, I understand after playing hours outside and balik na mi sa among kanang sa tawo sa among place nana dito yung Wi-Fi or something. So okay, sige, that's the time mag-Wi-Fi na mo, mag-ML na mo. Pero kung by the time nga i-enjoy na to ang beach o magkuhan, i-enjoy. Pero na mahuway pa niya to, okay na ko ato. Dili kay the whole time na nagagawag ML. No, diba? You distort the idea of going to the beach. Very kuan guys, very enjoyable moment. And thank you sa kuan sponsor. Yeah, actually it was an outing of Darwin Taxi staff actually guys. Pero kanang laay man kung kamera, so we included our family. And so mo to nadaghan. And grabe enjoy jud kayo. Thank you so much to our sponsor Darwin Taxi. Thank you so much. Lunay and Lutay and cousins Inday Ruth and Agawain. Thank you also. They joined us as well. Of course, sa Lusaran group nila Agaw, Daryl, Agaw in and family. Si Agaw Inday Ate Casey ra gid ni join. Kay busy sila, nice session sila with Daryl. Anyway, thank you so much and until my next videos. Have a good time. God bless and bye-bye.